Hi, my name is Angelique Sauceda and I teach 6th grade science. So here at Harris, we're dedicated to promoting academic excellence by challenging all of our Hawks in a safe and emotionally supportive community while cultivating growth and responsible citizenship. So take some time and join our PTA. You can go ahead and scan that QR code. It's only $6.50. Be aware that our principal will send out a newsletter every week, so if you want to stay up to date, make sure you're checking that. And just a reminder to check your students' grades. You do need access to Skyward. You and your child both have access to Skyward, so make sure that you and your child are taking at least one day a week to check their grades, just to make sure there's nothing missing. In my class, you can also redo assignments if you would like to raise a low grade. So not just missing work, but low grades also can be brought up. So some essential TEKS that we'll be learning in 6th grade science. We're going to be learning a lot more than this, but these are the most important things that we need to learn this year. How to calculate speed, tectonic plate movements, chemical reactions, energy transformations, and eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Mainly we go over physics and energy, chemistry, biology, astronomy, and geology. So if you want to contact me, please contact me through email at asauce1@neisd.net. So a little bit about myself. My name again is Mrs. Sauceda. This is my 3rd year teaching here at Harris Middle School. I love teaching because I have a passion for education, and I believe that education has a power to change our communities and bring change to people's lives. I also find grading really relaxing. I love science and engaging my students in labs. I like when students have that aha moment when it finally clicks. I love getting to know my students and building relationships with them. And I really like teaching because I get to stay on my feet and I'm busy all day long. It's never boring. I specifically like science because I get to create a lot of memorable experiences with my students. They get to have student-led inquiry where they get to investigate and they get to kind of reflect on all this scientific phenomena. So that's really why I love science. If you have any questions, like I said, go ahead and email me at asauce1@neisd.net.